Let's start with the basics. Machine learning. Imagine teaching a computer to identify cats in pictures. You show it thousands of cat pictures. And it learns to recognize patterns, pointy ears, whiskers, furry bodies, that define a cat. It's learning from data, but it's not thinking like a cat, or making decisions independently. It's just identifying patterns. Now, let's step up to a slightly more advanced level. Reinforcement learning. Here, we give the computer a goal, say, winning a game of chess. Instead of just showing it examples, we let it play repeatedly, rewarding it for good moves and penalizing bad ones. It learns through trial and error, improving its strategy over time. This is where we start seeing a bit more agency. The AI is actively making choices to achieve a goal. But true agentic AI goes beyond simply achieving predefined goals. It's about an AI that can set its own goals, adapt to changing environments, and even learn new skills without explicit human instruction. Think of a robot exploring a new planet. It needs to figure out what's important, what resources to seek, and how to avoid danger, all on its own. This is where things get really interesting and also challenging. Creating truly agentic AI requires advancements in several areas. We need AI that can understand and reason about the world around it, predicting consequences of its actions and planning for the future. We're talking about a level of cognitive ability far beyond what we have today. One crucial aspect is building AI with common sense reasoning. Humans understand the world implicitly in ways that are difficult to program. Things like knowing that objects don't usually float in the air unless something is holding them up, or that if you drop a glass, it will likely break. Giving AI this kind of intuitive understanding is a key challenge in developing agentic AI. Finally, ethical considerations are paramount. As AI becomes more autonomous and capable, it's crucial to ensure it acts in ways aligned with human values. This involves careful design, rigorous testing, and ongoing monitoring to prevent unintended consequences. The future of agentic AI hinges not just on technological breakthroughs, but also on responsible development. The journey from simple pattern recognition to truly agentic AI is a long and complex one. But the potential rewards, from solving complex problems to creating truly intelligent companions, are immense. We're only at the beginning of this exciting adventure. Remember, preventing floods is a collective responsibility. By implementing these simple measures, we can significantly reduce the risk and build a more resilient India. Let's all do our part.